Alrighty. We are live. We are live. Welcome, welcome in, welcome in. Morning, Scott. How you doing this morning? Welcome in, Lord Gaming. Welcome in. That is good, Scott. That is always good. Morning, Gio. I'm doing well. How you guys doing? Doing well this morning. I'll break even overnight with iFVG. So, Gio, I haven't checked the Discord really this week. Your Discord. How's everything going over with the other system? Market's open now. We do have news at 10 as well. KJ, good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, so market's open now. Working on some machine learning with background. Cool. I'm looking for higher today. We'll see what we do here, but yeah, I am looking for higher. Read this message in the chat. All right, so yeah, we just got stopped out by like a point on this trade, then it would have won. Besides that, we have a win here. This trade, I guess, depends on your fill and whatnot, if you got stopped. But that was a winner. This one was a loss, and then that was it. So pretty much break even at this point overnight with the bot. Besides that, I don't have much for you guys. To just chilling. Been doing the new strategy. It's been working well. Yeah, gonna be chatting with Ben today about the new algo, and some updates for iFVG as well. So, bit of a divergence here between ES and NQ. Yeah, I've been working on something new. Ben he's not on Discord very much. If you message him, he does not respond well. I always have to text him. So he is in California too, so different hours, but yeah, he doesn't check Discord enough. That's for sure. Yeah, a bit of a divergence here on the opening. NQ moved lower, ES moved a little bit higher. He hates me. Okay. Okay, buddy. Yeah, we're chilling. Looks like we got a potential trade here. Looks like we'd have to inverse it pretty quickly though. There's no trial, KJ, no trial. Our trial is kind of like just the monthly. You can cancel the monthly if you don't like it. You can DM me on Discord if you have more questions, or just ask them here and I can tell you instead of typing a bunch of questions out. But a lot of videos on our YouTube, on the YouTube live streams, all that. So again, we do have 10 a.m. high impact news today. That'd be something I would probably smart to turn off a few minutes before, a few minutes after, but it's very volatile lately. Yeah, very volatile. Almost a little too volatile some days, but depends on the structure of what kind of algo you're running. But yeah, it's been a lot of volume, I'll say. Scott, I'll just respond to the message here. SBS is not dead. I mean, whenever we release a new algo, though, people automatically jump ship to the new one, just because that's how people are. So, not as many people use SBS, obviously. Me and Ben, well, Ben obviously is the developer, but I've been working on a small update for SBS, small update for iFVG, and something new. So, but yeah, I mean, whenever we release something new, people always jump. So yeah, Trump as well lately with all the Greenland stuff causing a lot of spikes. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I was in a trade the other day, and then Trump said something about Greenland. We got a random spike, hit my stop loss, ripped back up to my TP. And I'm talking, I got stopped out by a tick. Or by the tick. It didn't move a single tick lower. Quite unfortunate. But, you know, it's what it is, I guess. Alright, we're in a trade here. It's a V shape. Actually, very clean V shape here. Some liquidity below. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So we'll see what goes on here. Yeah, yeah, yep. Trade's not looking super good so far, but I mean, I do like this. Got the bearish FVG formed here. I mean, immediately inverse it next candle. This is a 36 point candle, so a lot of volume here. I like where this TP sits, kind of a midpoint of this higher for value gap. So, I mean, looks good, so we'll see. YM is ripping up, ES is moving up, NQ is not moving up very much. ES is at high a day, so I mean NQ high a day is way up here, so hopefully we can start picking up a little bit here on NQ to the upside. Small wick here on this candle on the bottom here. There's a little bit bigger of a wick. Yeah, I mean, it's just chilling. SPS is just chilling. It's not dead. Dead in the sense that, I mean, not a lot of chatter in there. I mean, I'll tell you how the business works here, okay? You release an algo. Generally, on average, it's popular for 3 to 5 months. After about month 2, even if it still performs well, people start dying out because they're looking for something plug and play to make $1,000 a day. And then by, month 3 to 5, that's when me and Ben will look to create something new and fun. And that still works. So SBS is, a year and 2 months old. Did really well, active for probably 6 to 8 months, but yeah. I mean, it's still good. It's still good. We still have, I know for a fact I have a few people using it and they still really like it. So I've had, one of the members, I don't know where he's at now, but I know he got like 12K in payouts or something from SBS, which I mean may not seem like a lot, but covered his costs plus 9 or 10K profit. So yeah, I mean SBS is still good. I think iFVG is lost, but I mean it looks really good. But iFVG has a lot more customization. I think it was 12K payout total. but that was a few months ago too, so maybe more than that now. Let me think what I was gonna say. I lost my train of thought. iFVG a lot more customizable, so if you know, if someone puts the work in, iFVG will be better. If someone's looking for, you know, maybe a bit more of a plug and play system with less customization options, SBS would probably be it. But overall, iFVG has more potential. It's just, you know, not many people put work into it. So, you know, I know there's a few people who put work into it. They really like it. Like, they really like iFVG, but that's not a ton, you know. ES starting to push lower. Obviously, same with NQ. Well, guys, selling off. Got news in 12 minutes. Selling off. I think we might be going for this 4-hour candle low, the 2 a.m. candle low, which is at 499. So about 80 points lower here. Looks solid. So we'll see. Nice. That's really good. That's really good. I haven't taken anything yet manually, but I'll probably wait till this news at 10. A lot of hype about Tradeify. Is there anything that differentiates them from the props? Tradeify, well, they have very quick payouts. So, you know, if you request a payout, usually gets approved within 30 minutes or so. And it's in your bank account within like 2 hours, generally 2 to 3 hours. So very quick. And let's see, they have instant funding. Their new select accounts are really good. It's $2,500 to pass the 50K account with a 2,000 drawdown. 40% consistency rule. So it takes, 3 days, but and then you can select daily payouts or flex payouts on that, which is like every 5 days where you have $150 or more, you can request, half your balance. But I mean, you can select daily payouts if you want to. But I think the select accounts are really good. And the 50K account is like the easiest to pass in the entire industry, right? So yeah, pretty good. Yeah, I'm partnered with Tradeify now, but I mean, Lucid Trading is also really good, really quick payouts. So, of course, I think you could probably make really good money from props. I think you could make pretty good money, knowing you. So. And another V shape here. I mean, these are all V shapes. So we'll see here. You hit 624. All right, well, quick little TP hit there. Quick V-shape, one candle. Very nice. Paul, which accounts do you use? I like instant funding, but I mean, the select accounts are very easy to get payouts with. So select accounts, I mean, very easy. Easy in the sense of, not really any rules on the funded account. Trading live is more stressful. Yeah, if it's affecting your sleep. I mean, that's the good thing about props, right? Like, you could have a big live account, like 50K in a live account, be trading and make $5,000 in a day. That'd be great. But you could also just have like 5 Tradeify accounts or 5 TopStep accounts or both. Copy trade them with smaller risk. If you lose all the accounts, you blow all the accounts, you only lose your $2,000 investment or whatever, right? Now only down a little bit, yeah. Check it once a week, take quarterly positions. Yeah. Yep. You ask what type of YouTube video? Yeah, I could do that. I mean, I made a video about Tradeify a while ago, maybe a month ago. Didn't do very well, but I mean, I could do something discussing more props, yeah. Discuss my top firms, stuff like that, yeah, for sure. If you guys haven't yet, go drop a follow on my X account on my Twitter. Almost at 1,000 followers. Been trying to post more on there. I think we'll probably call it. We'll see what happens with this gap, but probably call it right around news here for the live. See if we close under here. I don't know if this would even get taken. No, yeah, there's no sweep anywhere, so I think we'll call it here. Call it here before the news. Be careful around this news, but yeah, a little bit shorter live stream, but that's okay. Thanks everyone for joining today. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe out there. Don't blow any accounts. And yeah, see you guys maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'll see you guys.